my lovely tarot and oracle card collectors, card lovers, divination card lovers, divination lovers, everything supernatural lovers. Welcome. I'm here with a deck that I received over a week ago, and I actually forgot I had it. I am baffled myself. That doesn't happen often, but this is the Kawaii tarot, and I have seen this in some videos on YouTube, and I think it is so cute. So I am really happy to have a copy. So let's have a look at the box. It is illustrations by Lulu, Mayo. Let's see what else it says. Rock Point is the publisher of this deck. So I don't know whether this is like self-published or but we shall see. So I'm sitting here ready, being very impatient, ready with my jewelry tool here. Let's get rid of the pesky plastic. A nice box. Got this wintry feel. I like it a lot. Let's see. It looks like it has like a comes, yeah, so there's not a two-part box. It's just, it opens up like a book. So let's have a look. Let's first have a look at the guidebook. I like the box. It's sturdy, it's strong, it's durable. Let's get rid of that before I hurt myself. So it's a cute little book. Everything is cute about this. So illustrations again by Lulu Mayo. Contents table. Introduction. Beginner's Guide to the Tarot. What the Tarot is not. A very little history. Take care of your cards and they will take care of you. Questions to ask your tarot, reading tarot, getting started. Shuffle the deck. You can do this a few different ways. Single cards and 3 cards. And turning cards. So lots of information how you can get to know your deck. So then we have the major arcana, and it does have a color picture of the card. We will draw a card at the end, shuffle and see how it shuffles, and I can read from the book then. So I'm not gonna go into the book, but it's like 1 page for each card. Oh no, what? No, that's about a major card, 1 page. No, it's a tiny section. So I think maybe 2 sentences, 3 sentences. I think that's the same with the minors too. So at the back you have continued the journey with astrology here. So we have the correspondent star sign for the majors. And games. Okay. Let's have a look at the cards. Yeah, the good cardstock is not bad at all. It's not the thickest, but it's very flexible, and it definitely got a backbone. I love the back, the planets, stars. Beautiful. Let's see if I can get my Where did I put that then? Yeah, there is. I had the book. This is like a standard tarot card size. I think they're probably the same. Yeah, it's standard. Standard tarot size. Okay. They are not edged, and you can use these reversals. So we have the Fool. Let's see if I can. Yeah, the Fool. Definitely brings out the inner child. It's very cutesy and still different. Love the colors. And look at the poodle with the Empress. And the Emperor. It's like a Pomeranian or something small and fluffy. Hierophant, where the unicorns, the little fatty, beautiful, chubby unicorns. Chariot, Strength card, the Hermit, Wheel of Fortune. I like, it's like a, what do you call it? Pariserhjul in Swedish. I cannot think of the word now in English. That's what happens when you speak lots of another language during the day. And then it's the opposite when I speak more English. It's just like Justice. This is gorgeous. It's definitely a feel-good deck. It feels very gentle, you know, the colors, the illustrations. There's not like any God-fearing card like with the Tower here. Yeah, you have some lightning there and some, but then you have the cutie raindrops. You have a little cute thunderclouds and a little bunch of seals falling down from their little pyramid. That's what I mean about gentle. I don't think this is like a deck that will hit you where it hurts. And I think this is a very diplomatic, defense-sensitive diplomatic deck that will give it to you in the nicest way possible, no matter what the situation. So that was the majors. And we are ones. I hope you can see the cards. See, I cannot see what you are looking at. I don't know how much of the card. I'm hoping you can see the whole card. So we had 4 of Wands. What was the 3 of Wands? I was talking too much, I forgot. What's this way? 5 of Wands. It's like, this is so good. You have the cactus there. It's like, because 5 of Wands is a card of conflicts, internal struggles, external struggles, or butting heads. It's like, you know, they're fighting in a cactus. It's so good. And I like that they actually have an animal or some figures here instead of just the ones flying in the air. Queen of Wands. It still has the cat. Great. And King of Wands. And coins, pentacles. Give the dog a bone. It's like something tangible. It's so good. Oh. Wow. It's just a penguin balancing. It is brilliant. I already know that I'm really going to enjoy this deck because I'm getting so many intuitive messages. Just shuffling, or shuffling, not shuffling, just going through, flip through, doing a flip through. Seven of coins. And a poodle, 9 of pentacles, 9 of coins, and we have the 10 of pentacles. Page of coins, or should I say coins instead? 9 of coins. Queen of coins. Ah, French bulldog. King of coins. And now to the cups. Ace of cups. Oh, beautiful. It's actually a deck that makes me laugh, and I love that. So this is definitely what I said before. This is a feel-good deck. It's got that wow factor. Definitely a deck what you reach for when you're feeling down in the dumps. Or it will be a deck that I will reach for when I'm feeling low. So good. And now to the last minor suit, the swords. Oh. And Page of Swords, Knight of Swords, Queen of Swords. I really love the King of Swords was upside down, was reversed, and King of Swords. So let's see how the cards shuffle. Shuffle like a dream. Let's see if we can get a card. And I'm got a card. So we got Justice card, Libra. Okay, so let's have a look. They don't have the numbers, which in my I don't care about that, but Maybe some of you do. So everything has its opposite, but the scales of the universe do not always act on their own. Have you witnessed a wrong? Is there something you can do? Or is something out of balance? So you have small but very to the point questions or messages. So it's more of deck like you have to use your imagination, which I think is good. You have to use your intuition. And see what them sentences will bring you if you do a reading. So this, my love, is the Kawaii Tarot by Lulu Mayo. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again. Hit that subscribe button. Let me see your videos or your cards. It will mean so much to me. I love watching the videos. So and if I can follow you back, of course I do. I would love to. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.